What's going on? Welcome to another video. Today I'm doing a just a quick review video of the DJI Osmo Nano, which I've got attached to my handlebars here. Had it for a few days, so I thought I'd just chuck a video together of what I like, what I don't like, and how it might suit your needs. So while I get through this windy hills out here, I'll roll that intro and we'll get into the review. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Like I said in the intro, today we are checking out the Osmo Nano. So this here is a small form factor action camera. It's two parts, vision dock, which has your screen and your SD card built into here, and your single camera here, which has internal memory and internal battery. This model here I have is the 128GB. You can get a 64GB version. Wouldn't recommend it. Get the 128. It's only a little bit more and you're going to have a lot more storage. 128GB is about 107 actual memory due to storage of software and stuff like that. The 64GB is about 45GB, so you're limited on space. What that equates to is about 2 hours of recording. I record 4K 25 frames per second, 4:3 D-Log-M at high bit rate, so that's probably one of the highest sort of recording you can get, so like storage wise. So I get about 2 hours recording onto the Osmo Nano itself, and then you can dump the footage onto the screen. Battery wise, referring to the battery, you can probably get about an hour. So an hour of recording, chuck it back on the dock, takes about 20 minutes to power up the Nano back to full, and then you're ready to go again. If you want longer recording, you can keep it together. You can use it as a single unit. It is tall compared to actually, that there is probably what Osmo Action 5 is. I'm using my Osmo Action 5 at the moment to record, so I can't really show the compare, but I'll chuck a frame in here. I'll show you what it looks like side by side. So today I'm using an ND filter on it. I like to run ND filters on the sunny days to slow the shutter speed down, get a more cinematic look. And because I record in D-Log-M, that means I have to color grade the footage. So I'll show you what the color grading looks like now. So swipe off. This is not color graded. This is what it looks like straight out of camera before any touch-up color grading. Chuck the grade back on, and this is what it looks like after editing. You can download the color grades. You can buy color grades online. You can download them free off DJI's website. The one I'm using is a free one, DJI website, specifically for the Action 5, because that's what I'm going to be recording on. But sensor wise, these two are exactly the same. Osmo Action 5 and the DJI Osmo Nano and the Action 5, exact same specs, same processor, same what's it called, sensor. So you're going to get the exact same footage out of either of them. What this is good for is your small shots. So if you want to chuck it on your foot, somewhere close to your feet, under your bike, somewhere like that, that's what this is good for. It's good for a secondary camera for somewhere you want to put in tight spaces, somewhere different. What else is it good for is travel videos. If you want to, I'm heading off overseas soon. If you want to chuck it on your neck, you got like a necklace you can put on, has a magnet on the back, sticks to your necklace, and you've got that point of view shots, walking around, do what you want. Chuck it on your head, comes with a cap mount, so you stick it on your head however you want, on the back of your head, looking backwards. You want to be fancy with it, do what you want. You can stick it on your hat as well. Lastly, it comes with a suction mount, so it sticks on your windscreen. Anything that's glass, flat surface, it will stick onto, and that's what it comes with. I'll chuck in a photo now of what you get in the package. And that is all comes in the complete package, standard package. Every Osmo Nano comes with those items and those accessories, plus a little case that goes over it to protect it if you want it not getting banged up. To purchase one of these, $589 from JB Hi-Fi, $498 from Amazon at the time of purchasing. I did go to JB Hi-Fi and they price matched, so picked it up, JB Hi-Fi, $498. Like I said, I bought this for a secondary camera to go along with my normal camera. So audio options for the DJI Nano, you can being part of the DJI family, you can connect any your microphones to it. So I run a DJI Mic 2, I'm wearing one right now. This audio is going straight to my Action 5. This is what it sounds like, and this is the receiver that it is on. So you can connect these two straight together and you're in business. You're getting clear audio straight into the camera. DJI Mic 2, you are recording 32-bit float audio, so you can edit that stuff. You can up it, down it, whatever you like. Some of my moto vlogs I've had to do that, record 32-bit audio, line it up in post, and then adjust the audio levels because it can be too loud straight out of camera when it's in my helmet. I haven't really worked out a way to sort that out, but I'm working on it. It just makes editing a little bit longer. So, what else can I say about it? So, the Vision Dock is how you change all the settings. It's a horrible day, sunny day, so I can't really show you at the moment. But this is how you change all the settings. It's pretty much the same as the Osmo Action 5. That's what you're gonna get. The same system, same layout. It's all the same. What I've done today is I've got a clamp mount and I've just mounted that to some of the locations on the bike, and got some pretty cool sort of action shots while cruising around the hills out here. So like I said, all around pretty good camera. It's good for those little inconspicuous shots if you're out traveling, want something that's really small, light, portable. Things it's probably not good for is all day rides. So if you're wanting to record a whole ride that's going to be more than half an hour or 45 minutes where the battery might die, it's good for that second camera setup. If you want to mount it somewhere while you're riding, that's what this is good for. Get those quick little action shots, a couple of minutes at a time. Yep. Probably enough talking. Let's jump on the bike, go for a ride. I'll chuck in some music and we'll just show you some clips that I've got from the Nano.